This is how you can change your engine oil. First, you lift up your car. Then after that, you grab a container, break loose the oil filter and the bolts. Loose them with your hands. Wear appropriate clothing so you don't spill all oil all over your body. Try not to spill oil on the floor. If you do, please clean it up. It could be very slippery, for safety and for environmental hazard. When you do, clean up the area. After all your oil has been drained, take your filter and screw it back on. Hand tight, don't use tool to tighten it. It shouldn't be very hard. Hand tight it. Bring down your car, add your new oil. Follow your car manual instruction for your appropriate engine oil.